Here we go. Okay, we'll go for J at the front. Okay, you know who you are? Good man, all right? So Jay at the front is going to tell me how to do this question here. We're doing the green line first. Go on. Yeah, 2a times a is 2a squared. Yeah, next one. The blue line is 2a times 1, yeah, which is 2a. Okay, next one. The black one. 1a. And the purple one's 1 times 1, which is 1. Okay, and then what happens then? 2a squared, you can bring down as part of your answer, yeah. 3a, yeah. Plus 1. Okay. We'll keep our J routine going on here. So we're going to go for another J in the class. We'll go for JF, I reckon. That's your initials, JF. Hopefully he knows who he is. All right, let's go. Okay, we're going to start with the green one, JF. Let's go. 4x times x. 4x squared. Good job. What's the next one? The blue line. 4x times 3. 12x. Good job. The black one. 1 times x, which is? Excellent. And after that, 1 times 3. 1 times 3 is? 3. Then after that, what happens when you add them together? In the middle, 4x squared plus, what's 12x plus 1x? So 12 apples plus 1 apples is 13 apples, not 13 apples squared, so just 13x. And then the part at the end, just 3. Is that all right? Okay. Next one, we'll go for C at the front. CBDS. Is that right? Yeah. All right. So we're gonna draw our lines, aren't we? So we're gonna have purple, the black one, we're gonna have the green one, and then we're gonna have the blue one, all right? And that's the routine we're gonna use for this question, okay? So yeah, so it's always first number in first bracket multiplied by first number in second bracket, which is the green line. So what you get for the green line? 5x times x. 5x squared, okay? Next one, 5x times, 5x times 1, the blue line. 5x multiplied by 1. There's only one x, isn't there? So it's just 5x. Okay. Next one, what's minus 4 times x? Minus 4. Yeah. And minus 4 times minus 1? Oh, sorry, minus 4 times plus 1? That'll be minus 4, isn't it? Okay. Hearing some noises over here. Knock it off. Okay. Now what's next, guys? What happens when we add them through the middle? Near done, see? What's 5x take 4x? 1x. And then the end is minus 4. All right, I'll start with D now, okay? Everybody see question D? I'll actually go for JM in the corner. Okay, JM. What's the green one? 3x by 2x. Because we're multiplying 3x by 2x, and what you say, 6x squared? 3 by 2 is 6. You see 2 x's, don't you? Make sure x squared. Good man. Okay, what's the blue one then? 3x multiplied by 3, 9x. Good job. Okay, what's the black one then? Minus 7 by 2x, which is? Okay, and finally, what's the purple one? Huh? Minus 21. Now, what happens when you add the middle part? 6x squared. What happens when you add the middle part? 9x take 14x. Yeah. And then this is 21. All right. Now, it's the first one done. Now we're going to look at the second one, which is E. And we'll go for the other J at the back. Huh? You're going to help me out, yeah. Okay. Now, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to bring down the lines. We're going to bring down the green line. We're going to bring down the blue line. We're going to bring down the purple line. And we're going to bring down the black line. Do you see that? Okay, now here's what you're going to do. The green line links what two numbers together? The 2b and the... And what's 2b multiplied by 4b? So what's 2 multiplied by 4? What? How many b's do you see? Good man. Now the next one, what's the blue one linked together? (2b) and minus 2. And what's 2 multiplied by minus 2? You can put it in your calculator. 2 multiplied by minus 2. And you're right, if you take them away, it's 0. But if you multiply them, it's... And how many letters did you see there? In this one? So what do I put down? B, yeah. Next one, 3 multiplied by 4 for the black one. 3 multiplied by 4b. 12, yeah, 12b, good job, just 12 of them. 3 multiplied by minus 2, you can use it in your calculator again, can't you? Yeah, I'll do it for you. 3 by minus 2. Minus 6, you cool with that, gents? We all good? Now, the middle part's the tricky part. Ever see the middle part? What happens if you owe your mate four bucks and you have 12 bucks in your pocket? How much bucks do you have left? 8 bucks. And if you aren't sure about that, go to your calculator and just enter minus 4 plus 12. And it'll tell you what the answer is. Minus 4 plus 12 is 8. So we get 8b squared plus 8b minus 6. Good job, guys. Okay, so lads, look at this. I'm going to do part D. Ever see part D? I'm going to do 2a minus 1 multiplied by another 2a minus 1. That's what the squared means. It means the same bracket twice. And I do the usual thing. So R in the back. What you get for 2a multiplied by 2a? How many a's do you see when you multiply them out? There you go, 4a squared. Okay, we'll keep going with R. What's the green line? 2a times minus 1? Minus 2a. Okay, next line is going to be the, we'll go for A in the front. What's minus 1 times 2a? Minus 2a, good job. Okay, we go for S. What's minus 1 multiplied by minus 1? Put it into calculator if you want. 2 negatives when you multiply them together. It's a plus 1, isn't it? Okay, finally, stay with S. What's the middle part when you take away 2, take away 2? Minus 2, take away another 2. So minus 2 twice. So minus 2 minus another 2 is minus 4. And you're done. So you guys are going to... Right, I was asked to start you off on 5a for a second. And here it is. Okay. It's x plus 1 multiplied by another x plus 1. Okay, so JF. So here's what you're doing now. You're multiplying x by x, and then you're multiplying x by 1. Then you're multiplying 1 by x, and then you are multiplying 1 by 1. Is that all right? Shh. Okay. Sorry, guys. All right. JC, what's x multiplied by another x? So because you see two of them, it's x squared. See the way it's x multiplied by x, and you can visibly see two of them? That always comes out as x squared. So that's the red line. Sorry, the blue line was x multiplied by x. Now we're on to the red line. You see the red line? And that links x to the number 1. So you're multiplying 1 by x. What's 1 multiplied by x? Yes, it is. Good job. Now you're on to the purple line. And then what do we get in the purple line? 1 multiplied by x, which is 1x. Yeah, you know it. Okay. What's the last line then? The green line. No, the green line. See, links a 1 to another 1. JF. So 1 times 1. Back to JC. 1 when you're multiplying, yeah. Okay, JF. In the middle, what do I do with the two numbers in the middle? And what happens when you plus them? Yeah, because an apple plus an apple is 2 apples, an x plus an x is 2x, and then 1 here. Is that all right? Okay. We'll go for L. L. Okay. L. Here's how we're going to do it. Shh. If you don't know what you're doing, lads, please pay attention, okay? Now, what's the first step? What do we do with the two bracket? What do we do with this? L. Yeah. So 5a minus 2 by another 5a minus 2. What do I do now? Yeah, I'm going to draw my 4 lines, haven't I? There you go. Now, good job. What's 5a multiplied by another 5a? What do you think? L. 5 by 5 is 25. How many a's do you see? 25. A squared, yeah, that's the one. What's the next one? Minus 2 by 5a. AL, you're up. What's minus 5 by 2a? Minus 10a. Okay, purple one now. Sorry, I got that the wrong way around. The purple one was minus 5 by 2a. And the blue one was 5a by minus 2. What's 5a by minus 2? They're both the same, aren't they? Yeah, it is the same thing swapped over. Thank you very much. Now, what's minus 2 by minus 2? H. Yeah, plus 4. Add the middle parts together. H. Plus or minus? Minus 28. And we are done with